Hyper Terminal installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Explain. Browser open. Google search box lo Hyper Terminal download. Enter key press. Official link third section lo display. Hyper TM. Hyper.js. Third link click. Hyper Terminal official web page complete display. Mouse scroll down. Supporting OS installation section lo display. Mac OS, Windows, Debian, Fedora, more Linux distros. Users related option select. Present set of Windows direct download white color button click. Download section lo hyper setup latest version 3.4.1.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 70.4 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Process completed. Open file option click. Browser minimize. Hyper setup window display. Choose install location. Middle section lo destination folder default path display. Local disk C, user folder, user PC name and app data. Local programs hyper newly created folder. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while hyper is being installed. Installation process start. Completing hyper setup. After display desktop shortcut. Hyper. Run this application. Left side box tick mark set. Unnecessary tick mark remove. Present set. Finish button click. Left side edge 3 dots click. Second option edit. Subpanel last one option preferences click. Hyper.js file. This is hyper config file script. Modules and config. File close.